There are a lot of components that go into a solar system, and I wanted to go over the ones that I've taken advantage of and some of the products that have worked best for me. Hello, thanks for watching. My name is Justin White, and today we're talking about solar energy and energy storage as well. At the Mokuna house, we have 4 solar panels on the roof. Each solar panel is around 250 watts. So altogether, we have about a 1 kilowatt solar array on the roof. It's putting out 1,000 watts at 24 volts. We take that 1,000 watts and times that by how many hours per day of sun we get, which on a really good day is somewhere between 3,000 to 4,000 watts. We take all that energy and we send it right into our charge controller, and that charge controller feeds our batteries and stores the energy so we can use it at night. So once you have your solar panels, the next thing you want to start to look at is your racking. And racking for solar panels is how you're going to mount it to your roof or whatever structure you're going to mount those panels to. Some of the different hardware that you can get for your racking can be big, thick lag screws if you have to go into wood, or sometimes if you have a unistrut system or maybe a clay tile roof system, you can get different types of fasteners for the racking into your roofing material. Do some research here because you're going to have to find out what type of roof you have and what type of fasteners you need. The solar panels also take care to get to the roof. So plan out having ropes or a great ladder system so that you can get everything up there efficiently and cleanly. Make sure you have someone to help you. The solar panels on your roof can be connected either through a series connection or through parallel. And based upon the voltage of the solar panels, you're going to have to determine what your max voltage is that your charge controller can handle and lay out the system appropriately. So in this diagram, you can see how several different panels are laid out together, and some are in series and some are in parallel. And when you combine these solar panels in either series or parallel, you will either stay at the same voltage or double your voltage. So it's very important to understand electricity a little bit before you purchase your solar panels. Also, what are you purchasing your solar panels for? How big of a system do you want? So solar panels are typically in 2 to 300, 400 watt panels. So that kind of gives you a range of where you can start and where you can end. You don't want to mix solar panels together. You want to keep the same voltages and the same panel manufacturers in each string. I want to thank our subscribers for all your support. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe or leave a like.